Welcome to AceMicromatic stall in 14th Diamond International Exhibitions 2026. AceMicromatic Group is India's one of the largest machine tool groups with more than 1 lakh installations across India. We offer total solutions including turning machines, VMC, HMC, grinding, IoT, 3D metal printing machines, laser cutting machines, automations, and SPM machines. At these exhibitions, we have displayed turning machines, J300 with Syntec control. Then we have graphite machine 740G. It comes with 20,000 RPM, BT30 spindle. All over India, we have more than 50 installations for graphite machining. Here we have displayed 850V machines for aerospace components. This is with Siemens control, 10,000 RPM. And then we have displayed a bigger machine, which is 1370. We have these die mold machines for rough machining, semi-finish machining, and finish machining. All these machines are having very rigid structures for fine machining with no vibration. Apart from these machines, here we have displayed ED mill machine also, then simulators, which is very useful for training purpose. This simulator, it comes with Panu control, Siemens control, and we can do the programming of turning machines, VMC machines. Then we have displayed aftermarket products also, because we are focusing on eco products also. So we have showcased some eco products also here. In IoT, we have different solutions to different products like eShopX, energy monitoring, then OE monitoring, tool wear offset compensations. For die mold, we have machines from 500 size to 2.2 meter with single column. These machines are available with Panu control, Siemens control, and Mitsubishi control. Regarding the RPM, we have from 8,000 RPM to 15,000 RPM with chiller unit facility. We have more than 3,000 machines installations across India. We welcome all customers to our stall. Our stall, it is in hall number 6 and stall is C01. Please do visit AceMicromatic stall.